Function meets portability with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by Asuna. Walk, jog, or run on the space-saving running deck. Take advantage of the 2.5 peak horsepower motor that supports speeds up to 8 miles per hour, while you reduce impact on your joints as you exercise on the shock absorption-equipped deck. Monitor and control your workout with the LED lit touch capacitive console with quick select buttons as you track your speed, steps, distance, time, and calories burned. Stay safe and secure with the emergency safety key clip attached to the sturdy frame that supports up to 220 pounds in user weight. Connect to the auxiliary port and listen to your favorite music or watch your favorite show as you mount your smart device on the tablet holder. With multifunctional transportation wheels and a sleek, slim foldable design, this treadmill can be stored and used practically anywhere in a matter of seconds. Pack a functional workout in a space-saving design with the 8730 and 8730G slim folding motorized treadmills by Asuna.